Hi everyone, my name is Jaipal. In this video, I will be talking to you about why is card in Power BI used so often. Now, a card is one of the very important feature used in Power BI, and we will try to understand first what card is. So let me first take you through the basic definition of card so that we can first understand what card is before we understand why it's often used. So card is a visualization to show single number in report or dashboard. As you can see here, it is a card which is square box in visualization, and it is showing number 104, which is open store count. So on the visualization pane, you have this square box, which is like a card. As soon as you click on the square box and you select your fields, like here it is selected store. Under store, it was selected open store. So the card has automatically given the number of open store count, which are 104 in this case. So it is very simple to create, and not only with the help of visualization pane, the card can also be created with the help of question and answer Q&A feature in Power BI. Card is also very easy to format. Like here you have number and the name of metric. You can change the color of both of them. You can change the size of text, and then you can change the background. And this tool and this visualization with the help of card is very easy to create. And that is the reason why card is used in Power BI so often. And I was also looking into one link. Let me take you to that link. And I will also be pasting this Microsoft Docs link in the description below, because this link explains very clearly about how to create card visualization. It starts with the definition of card, like card is a type of visualization. And with the help of card, you can show metrics like total sales, market share year over year, or the number of total opportunities. So it can be any count, sum, a change can be shown with the help of visualization. So it is so versatile. That is the reason it is very commonly used. And Microsoft also has mentioned like cards can be created using report editor or Q&A. Let's try to understand how the card can be created with the help of report editor. So as soon as you, as it says that, create a card using report editor, and the figure it shows like when you click on visualization and go to card and click on your chosen fields, it is going to create a card for you, right? And then you can, this is the way you create with the help of report builder, but then you can also create card with the help of Q&A. As soon as you choose Q&A, it gives you a box. You simply mention here the metric you need. For example, in this case, it is showing total sales for Tina. And as soon as you mention here total sales for Tina, the number changes inside the card to the total sales for Tina, as it says 7.47 M. So both ways, report editor and Q&A can be used to create card visualization in Power BI. And how to format a card, it is very easy. So this is again something which can very easily be done. Like you can, as shown here in this image, you can change the color of font, you can change the text size, you can change the font family like type of font, then you can change even the metric name. You can change the size separately of metric from the number, and then the font family can also be changed. Even the background can be changed, as shown. It's just like sky blue background. So this way, card is very easy to create, very easy to format, and you can place it anywhere on your report. So that is the reason why card is so often used. And I like to encourage you to use card, because I use card very often in Power BI because of its simplicity. That's all from my side about this simple feature about Power BI, and hope this video is helpful to you. If it is helpful to you, please share it with others. And thank you so much for watching, and have a good day. Bye bye.